Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to secure your Facebook profile with a lock. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your Facebook. Now go to menu, scroll down, press on settings and privacy. Now click on settings. Again scroll down. Now click on profile locking. Now here you can see the option of lock your profile. Press on this. Press on OK. That's it. So this is how to secure a Facebook profile with a lock. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.